little dudes, man. I do. I enjoy being a little dude. Right? They work hard. Right? They hit the gym. They want to conquer shit. They get to the front row at concerts. You ever been in a big ass crowd of people and you get pushed? And you're like, the fuck was that? Short king. He's already up there. You missed your chance. Front row. He's doing it. They pick you up during sex, which is dangerous. Because of the ceiling fans and shit. Oh, see, y'all don't think about that, you itty bitty bitches. Y'all don't know. You're so selfish. Only thinking of yourselves. Wow. You get picked up, your man's like swinging you around. You're like, woo, yeah, girl, it's so sexy. I love it. Woo! I almost die up there. Can you imagine getting picked up and hitting the fucking fan? Just